Alright guys, in this video I thought I would just show you what I'm meal prepping for the next couple of days for lunch and dinners. A couple of meals, a little healthier. So this is all from Trader Joe's, so I'll show you what I got. So I was actually looking for the turkey burgers. I didn't find any, but I found these turkey meatballs. So I've never had these before. That should be interesting. It's all frozen. So I don't know if I'm gonna put. I'm either gonna put them in the oven or stove top. There's two ways. Maybe the oven. I don't know. We'll try it out. So with this meal, I'm gonna add some frozen peppers. I know it would be really good. I've had this before. I just fry them in oil. They're really good. So I thought I would serve this with organic rice cauliflower. I've had this before. It's really good. So that's a couple meals right there. So my next meal, I'll be having these veggie burgers. I've had these before. They're really, really good. And I'll be serving them with the organic super sweet corn. So this should be very good, guys. Let's get cooking. All right, so I've decided to put this in the oven. I have 6. I think I'm gonna put 2 in each one, but because they're pretty big meatballs. But I think I'm kind of hungry. I haven't had my lunch today, so I might just try 2. So they're gonna go in the oven. And you bake for 30 to 35 minutes. As we're waiting for the turkey meatballs, I'm gonna go ahead and just start on my veggie burgers, just a little bit of olive oil and just fry it until they're brown on each side. All right, the last step is we're gonna add this organic rice cauliflower. It's easy, all you have to do is add some to the pan till the water dissolves. Might just do half of this. So yeah, basically you just stir this until the water is dissolved. I'm also gonna add some butter here. The last time I did a live, I made this and some people were recommending butter. Somebody suggested adding some cheese. So I might do that as well. Add a little bit of cheese, not a lot. Maybe to give it some flavoring. And maybe some salt and pepper. A little sprinkle of cheese. Just a little. Also a little garlic too. And it's so good with our garlic. Oh my god. I'm going to save some of this cauliflower rice for my lunch today with the meatballs. But this is really good. Probably one of my favorite items to get at Trader Joe's, guys. It's really good. All right, I think the meatballs are done. Let's check it out. I don't know, they look kind of dry. I didn't add any oil or anything, but I will try a few just do a taste test to see how they taste, guys. All right, guys, here are 4 healthy meals to eat. Here's 2 meatballs, turkey meatballs with sauteed peppers and cauliflower rice, and the veggie burgers right here in the corn. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste these for you guys. I feel like they're kind of dry on the outside. Maybe I needed to add some olive oil, at least to the pan. I didn't do anything to the pan, so I'll give you guys a taste test to see what I think. Feel like I might need some barbecue sauce with it or something. Not bad. But I do feel like I need some barbecue sauce or something with it. But let me know, guys, if you ever tried these turkey meatballs. What do you think? I'm still gonna enjoy my healthy meals for the next week or so. But here is my meal prep from Trader Joe's. So I would just share this with you guys since I go to Trader Joe's a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.